Hi, I'm Jen from Acadian Accounting Education, and today we are going to practice adding a vendor. So if you would like to grab a copy of the exercise, be sure to click on the link in the description, and let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and add the vendor. Now, this exercise is coming from our Level 1 ProAdvisor certification course, which if you would like more information about that course after we go through the exercise, be sure to click on the link in the description. But let's dive in and read through today's scenario. Help Craig add a new vendor to his vendor list. So you'll need to be in the sample company to do this exercise. If you are not sure how to get into the sample company or get your own free QBOA account, be sure to click on the link in the description. I have the sample company here on the left side. Once you sign in, this is what it will look like. So let's go ahead and get started with the exercise. This is all the information we will need to add the vendor. The vendor's name is Brianna Bunzel. Her company is Breeze Beach Craft. We have all of the contact details. We have her preferred terms, her business ID, and then she is a sole proprietor, so any payments must be tracked for 1099s. So let's go ahead and add her as a vendor. From the left navigation bar, we want to hover over expenses and then select vendors. So the left navigation bar is this black bar here. Hover over expenses and then go ahead and select vendors. And once it comes up, you will see here this button that says new vendor. Go ahead and click on it. And then let's go ahead and fill out all of the details. In the company name field, we want to type Breeze Beach Craft. I'm actually just going to highlight over that and just copy and paste it directly in there. You'll notice that as soon as we filled out this field right here, the name is going to populate here on the vendor display name field. Let's go ahead and add her name, Brianna and Bunzel. I hope I pronounced that correctly. So go ahead and click into the first name and type her name. And then in the last name field, we're going to add her last name. Next, let's go ahead and add the email in the email field. Once again, I'm just going to highlight over this. I'm going to copy the text and then paste it directly here in the email field. It looks like it's briebc@email.com. Her phone number is going to be 555-7890. So go ahead and click into that and type that phone number in there. And then she has a separate mobile number. So click into that field and type 555-556-7891. All right, let's go ahead and add her address now. So that is in the next section, which is the addresses section. So in the street address one line, we are going to type 123 City Street. In the city field, it is Oakland. So go ahead and click into that and type Oakland. And then the state field is CA for California. And then finally, in the zip code field here, we are going to type 88999. And now we have added her address. Now we're going to keep scrolling down, this time to the additional info section, which is right here. In the business ID number, social security number field, we want to type what her business ID would be, which we're just going to say is 123456789. So go ahead and type that. And then we have to track the payments for 1099. So go ahead and click on that checkbox next to that. And then finally, here we have in the terms field, it is going to be net 30, which just means that she has 30 days to pay. So click the down arrow, select net 30. We're going to leave this opening balance section open, and then we just need to click on the green save button on the bottom right corner. So go ahead and do that. And now you can see that she is listed here as a vendor. If you wanted to, this is her vendor profile. If you wanted to see her on the list of vendors, you would just go back to vendors here, and then you would see that she has been added right there. And that's how you add a vendor. Now, if you like this exercise and you'd like to do more like it, or you would like more information about that Level 1 ProAdvisor certification course, be sure to click on the link in the description, and I will see you next time.